Okay, so this is an application of the inequalities, being able to graph an inequality. So the easiest way to set up all the information, because when you read it, you're going to go, oh, okay, that's way too much information. So what you want to do is you want to create a chart. So the chart helps you organize all the information so that it will be very easy to come up with an inequality. So I'm going to read you the word problem, and then I'll go from there. Okay, so this one says a manufacturing company makes two types of water skis, a trick ski and a slalom ski. The trick ski requires 6 hours of labor for fabricating and 1 for finishing. So the trick ski requires 6 hours for fabricating, 1 for finishing. So if you notice the chart, I have the two items that we're talking about. So these are the X and the Y. And then on the side, I have what is the requirements for them, okay? Then it says the slalom ski requires 4 hours, labor hours for fabricating and 1 for finishing. So the slalom is 4 for fabricating and 1 for finishing. The maximum labor hours available per day for fabricating and finishing 108 are 108 and 24 respectively. Let me read that again. The maximum labor hours available per day for fabricating and finishing are 108 and 24 respectively. So these are the numbers that are available. So this is how many hours in a day are available. So maybe you have employees that can only work so many hours a day, or maybe you have machinery that only works so many hours a day. So you have limitations. So 108 is the maximum number of labor hours for fabricating, and 24 is the maximum number of labor hours for finishing. So when you say maximum number of labor hours, what that indicates is I can't go higher than 108. I have to keep it less than or equal to. I can't go higher than 24 hours. I have to keep it less than or equal to. Well, now you have your system of equations. We have 6, and I'm going to do it in 2 different colors again. I have my equation. I have 6x plus 4y is less than or equal to 108. And the other one is I have 1x plus 1y is less than or equal to 24. And then from here, now you're going to go right back into graphing the inequality, like the previous video, using your test point to shade, and then finding your corner points. But I just wanted to show you this quick way to set up a word problem using a table. Okay?